A lot of people try to do it on their own, and that's as ridiculous as me trying to do my own bathroom, right? If I'm not a bathroom remodeler, I mean, how many times as contractors we go, this idiot wanted to do it himself? Are you kidding me? Yet I see contractors try to do their own marketing, build their own websites, do their own ads, do their own bookkeeping, all this other stupid stuff, and it takes their focus off what they do best. But here's the point of this, guys. And it took me a long time to learn this. And I'm ripping off a quote. I forget who it is. It ain't me, but it's something like, good marketing is like in golf when you have such a good shot, that good marketing is going to put the ball closer to the hole. Okay.
Yeah.
So that by the time you get on that first sales call, it's a gimme putt. It's just a gimme. Like, good marketing is going to move them through. It's going to demolish objections, right? It's going to show value. It's going to build trust and all these other things. That, combined with you actually calling when you said you would and doing all the different things that we've talked about earlier, to honor the commitments that you're making, that makes the sale easy. So, and dude, I see this all the time, and I'm tired of it. It's, you ever have these hot buttons, like maybe on social media, dude? If you're like anything like me, you're competitive and stuff, and you just want to help people win and whatever. Like, when I see things like, hey, anyone know a good YouTube video I could use to build a website or to do my own ads or whatever it is, and it just makes me want to like punch him in the face, because I'm like, dude, you're going to waste so much time. Like, I would rather you outsource the marketing, okay, to somebody with a proven history of kicking ass. Take your time that you would spend on that. Go join a damn BNI group. Go network. Join your chamber of commerce. Shake hands. Hand out cards. Like, build your influencer list. Like, I love our online world, dude, but I see so many people neglecting just the human-to-human connection because they're stuck in their damn bedroom or basement till 1 a.m. trying to figure out why their Facebook ad isn't working, and it's like, I don't know. I don't want to light my fuse here and go crazy because on these rants.
No,
but guys, don't be cheap. Like, you guys will go out and you'll spend, $30,000, $40,000, $60,000 on a piece of equipment because it makes you money in the field. Totally get it. All right. Well, isn't that what your marketing is? It's a tool. It's a tool to make you money. Like, I had one guy go, oh my God, this guy wants to charge me $20,000 to build a website. And I'm like, well, what's your average job size? He's like, $50,000. I said, what's the problem? You're not going to drop 20 to have a thing selling for you 24/7, 365, generating leads for you. Okay. That tee up these sales calls for you to close a few $1,000,000 a year.
Yeah.
And I think that's where contractors annoy me, man. This is the other thing, because I know you speak a lot. You go to some of these home improvement shows, and me and guys like me and you, we speak. Okay. Our room will have like 7 people in it. Right. And then you go out by the tools and it's like a tool porn show out there. Right. And it's like, you guys don't understand, the money's made in here with the shit that's coming out of Joe's mouth.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like, yeah, okay, great. The tools are great. But if you would just put a quarter of that effort and focus into learning how to run a better business that you do about your interest in a tool, you would crush it. You would absolutely crush it.
Absolutely.